Welcome friends, welcome back to MS Excel tips and tutorials. Today we will be going through a small function in MS Excel that is used to capitalize a list of names that are not properly capitalized. We often come across situations when we get a list of names that are not properly capitalized. So in that case, we can use a simple function in MS Excel that can be helpful in capitalizing the names. And the name of the function is proper function. PROPER, proper function. So we will learn how to capitalize names with proper function. So let's go through a simple example. I will take you through a list of names that I have already prepared. Yeah. So here we have a list of names. Almost seven names are there. So if you closely look at each of the names, you can see that none of them are properly capitalized. Actually, the name Ram Mohan should in that name R should be capital and the second name M should also be capitalized. So it's not properly capitalized here. So Arun Das A is capitalized, but D is not capitalized. So let's see how we can use the proper function to capitalize all these words in a single click. Okay. So the syntax of the function is equal sign proper. Okay. Open brace. And click on the cell which you need to capitalize. So I want to capitalize Ramohan, the cell F3. I clicked on Ramohan and the cell F3 came there. And I'm closing the bracket and I'm clicking on enter key. See, Ramohan has been capitalized. Similarly, you can capitalize all the names that are below Ramohan by just dragging this formula downwards. Like I'm just dragging this formula downwards. Or you can manually enter formula for each of the cells, but that will be time consuming. So you can drag it and drag it. Now you can see that all the names are properly capitalized. Now it looks good, much better when compared with the previous one. So in this way you can capitalize all the names that are not properly entered in an Excel sheet. So that's all for today. That's all for from my side regarding the proper function. So just try it, practice it. Okay, it will be helpful for you uh, while you use Excel. So I'm winding up for now. So if you like the video, please click on the like button, and also you can also share it with your friends. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, you can put it in the comment section. And at the same time, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, you can certainly click on the subscribe button and also the bell icon. You can click on the bell icon to get further notifications whenever I upload new videos on this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.